Hi guys! Welcome again to another Temu haul unboxing. Good morning! Yeah, I have received again a package from Temu. Yung mga pinagbibili ko. First thing is this. It is a wallpaper for my toilet. Next is unboxing. Oh, what are these? So, ito yung mga sensor lights. I'm gonna put it sa stairs namin. Next is para sa anti-fog wiper para sa kotse ko. Ayan. What's this? Kaya ito. Oh, so this one is the toothpaste and toothbrush dispenser para sa toilet ng mga anak ko. Next is what's this? This is for the hindi ko rin siya alam. This is for the shoes. Parang shoe rack siya. And I will show you kung na-assemble ko na or nagamit ko na. Thank you for watching.